If you have a few unmatched socks laying around, don't throw them away. You can turn them into this cute rabbit. It doesn't require any sewing skills and it's really easy, so let me show you how. For this project, you will need one white sock, one colorful sock, scissors, rubber bands, a filler such as popcorn, rice, or small beans, pink and black felt, craft glue, a large needle, and black embroidery floss. Fill the white sock about half full with popcorn. You can use rice or small beans if you would like. Use a rubber band to close off the top of the sock, close down to the popcorn. The top part of the sock is going to become the ears of the rabbit, so you want to cut lengthwise down to the base of the rubber band. Sit the bunny upright, fold the ears back and down, and now if you would like, you can trim the end of the ears so that they're a little bit more rounded, and you can make them a little shorter if you would like. Take your other sock and cut it off just above the heel. This is going to become the hat. So with the elastic part, put it over the top of the head, just to cover the rubber banded part so it's securely on your bunny. Then you can judge how long you want the hat to be. It's totally up to you. And you want to put a rubber band around the top of it where you want the hat to end. This part is easier if you take it off again. Now you can trim it to about 1 inch or 1.5 inches or so. To make a pom-pom, cut down from the top of the sock toward the rubber band and cut thin strips all the way around. I'm going to arrange that pom-pom so that it comes down and hides the rubber band. And I'm going to put the hat back on my bunny. To make the face on my bunny, I'm going to cut out a small pink triangle for the nose, and then I'm going to cut out 2 small black circles for eyes out of my felt. I'm going to glue the nose and the eyes in place with some craft glue, or you can use some fabric glue. Thread the needle with a short piece of embroidery floss and then run it next to the nose and go completely behind and come out on the other side. Trim it to about 1 inch on each side, and then separate out the strands of the thread so you have some individual whiskers. It's okay if they don't lay perfectly straight. It's kind of cute that they're a little bit wonky. Okay, to keep those from sliding out, we want to just put a dab of glue on each side so they'll stay in place, and don't worry, that will dry clear so you won't be able to see it. Let the glue dry and your bunny's ready to display. Please subscribe to my channel for more fun crafts. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.